Good God, bro. Good fucking God, man. Let's talk about it, man. Let's talk about today. So, as you can see, we're not fucked, but some of my positions are fucked. Others are not fucked. So let's talk about it. We were CPI. I was talking about CPI yesterday. CPI was good. It came out good. We can check it on ES right now. As you can see right here, look, CPI came out, boom, it was good, and then tank, just tank. Um, so let's talk about it, bro. I'm like as we speak, bro. I'm down $200, bro. This pissed me off. We were up almost $1,000 today, all together. And then just instant reverse on a lot of things, man. So like, look, uh, YSG, okay, OKLO. This stock, man, wow. This stock, look, I bought at this high, bam, shot up, hit all of my targets, and we're up, as you can see, we're up. So this is good. This is a free roam trade. Happy about that. UPXI, I got in on UPXI, and then of course, bro, of course, we're up, and then we tank. It's just fucking ridiculous, bro. It's like, I don't know. Where's UPXI on? Bro, like I can't catch a break half the time. I literally fucking can't. So, depending on tomorrow, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what fucking happens. We'll go to Gral, GRAL. It's right here. $1.50. So cool. Let's talk about it right here. GRAL. Yeah, I mean, we broke out here, so this is breakout day. The volume, though, it's not high, man. Like, that's what's pissing me off. Like, dude, it's just very overwhelming. Yeah, this was the action today on it. Fucking dumb as shit. Dumb as shit. NWNT. Dude, it's just, we get in on shit, and then fucking it just goes up in our way, and then down. Okay, hello, pays, we're still in on, we're negative now. Bullshit. I'm just like fucking pissed. UPXI, we just talked about that. So let's talk about the ones that I lost on. Where are we at? Let's start from the bottom. LEDS, piece of shit. Let's go on here. LEDS. I mean, just look at that. Like, what do you expect me to do from there, you know? I thought I had a nice breakout right here. Nice some volume came in. Just not enough, bro. Just not enough. So I don't like this stock anymore. AISP, $44, dude. AISP. Like, bro, you're telling me that, like, what the fuck? You're telling me with this much volume, and then we had a nice breakout, I get stopped out? Crazy. Now watch what happens, bro. Now that I'm out of this stock with, you know, nice volume out here with a breakout, it's gonna shoot up. Just watch my luck, my fucking luck. JL. Why am I up on that? I don't have any shares. Did I lose J? I think I lost JL today. I don't remember, bro. I'm like very overwhelmed. Bruh. See what the fuck I'm saying, bro? See what the fuck I'm saying? Dude, now watch, it's gonna shoot up. It's gonna shoot up. I just know it. Oh, I know why we got stopped out on JL. I might have to, you know what? I'm gonna have to put that back in my watch list. I got stopped out on JL when I put my stop loss, because when you know, when you're holding overnight shares, your stop loss, you have to replace your stop loss when market opens. So I instantly got stopped out right at market open. Pissed. So I think I'm gonna try to get back in on it tomorrow if we retest a certain level. Okay, we're in QBTS. Okay. Lost. We lost 74 bucks on that shit. QBTS. QBTS. Yeah. It's just bullshit, bro. Fucking just fake outs on fake outs on fake outs. There's nothing you can do, bro. It's just we took a loss on that. QBT, yes. SKYT, 10 bucks. Not that bad on SKYT. SKYT. It's like we're breaking out. I think we're actually going to keep breaking out on this, but the volume is really high on here. We'll see. I'm going to actually keep a watch on it. Like we're breaking out of shit, but it's just not following through. That's the annoying part. It's a very annoying part. SKYT, INTC. Okay, let's talk about INTC. This is a option call or option put. I'm sorry. Where did I have INTC? I need a. Okay. So this is the option chart right here of the option put. I'm taking a put. This is the option strategy that I learned from. So basically, I look at the daily, right? I look at the daily chart. I kind of how should I say it? I kind of implement my swing trading strategy into my option trading strategy. So I'm looking at the trend, right? If the trend is down, as you can see, we're down, and the 20 EMA, is this the 20 EMA? Yeah. If the 20 EMA is above the 10 EMA, yep, the market's down. But as you can see, if you look super closely, it kind of crossed. So I'm kind of skeptical about that. But with pre-market right now, if we just keep tanking, we'll do good. So basically, if I see that on the daily chart, and then I go to the 4-hour chart, and a 4-hour candle slices through the 200 EMA. Is that the 200? Yeah, if it slices through the 200 EMA, I'm getting in. So I got in a little late. I got in like right around here. The strike price is $20 even. And I have this contract 2 months out. So right here, you can see my position, POS, 15th of August. Here's my position. Let me go to all. Here's my position. I got in at 143. Is that where I got in at? Yeah, 143. Got in at 143. Actually, let me do this actually. Yeah, 143 right here. So if pre-market does good for us, and we just tank, I'm selling it, and I think I'm gonna sell it at, where did I have it? I'm selling it at 229. So we'll see what happens with that. So I finally am doing some swing trading on options. So that's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. Let's see here. Dude, the market is tanking, bro. This is just fucking bullshit. I'm down $200. I have to get off of this shit. Sorry if I'm half-assing it. I'm just like frustrated. UPXI. So did I go over UPXI? So I got back in on UPXI. And yeah, it's just, dude, I think I already went over that. UPXI, GRR, GR, we're still up. Grau, we're up money on. There's not much to really go over today, man. Like, yeah, I'm showing you my losses that I took today on some stocks. I'm showing you my option put. So there's not much to go over besides market sucks ass. Market is just horrible. Price action's horrible. It's just you start strong in the morning. Like, bro, we were up a band. We were up more than a band, like probably like $1,200 this morning, and then we just have a complete turnaround. It's just very frustrating, bro. It's so annoying. That's just very annoying, but it's whatever. We're up overall, so let me switch over to my spreadsheet, and I'll show you all where I'm at. Okay, so here's my updated spreadsheet. Regardless, man, we are up money. 1522. I mean, I could update it again because market is still going, but I did it at 5 o'clock, so this was the actual numbers when market was completely closed. So, regardless, we are up 15.22, and I think in my last video we were up like 14 something. So it made $100, and that's only because of OKLO. That's only because of OKLO. And my year-to-date winners that are at break-even. So these trades right here are only at break-even. So let's say if I wanted to pay myself this, I would pay myself 1609. But I'm not gonna do that because, honestly, bro, like I'm not trying to be like a greedy motherfucker, but the money that we can make from options and swing trading, I want to be able to at least make 5K plus, and then take a portion out of that and then pay myself. That's just me being honest. So yeah, that's basically the whole video, y'all. I'm sorry if I'm half-assing it. Today was just look at that bullshit. Today was just a fucked up day. Market's almost down 1%, so I'm gonna go to sleep, bro, and hopefully we have a better day tomorrow. We'll see. I'll see y'all later. See y'all in the next video. Peace. Oh, I also missed one stock. I missed one stock. We missed PRTH. We made $7. Whoop-de-doo. Yeah, that's it. Am I missing anything else? Nah, that's it. All right, y'all. See y'all next video. Peace.